critics have spoken that my room is a vibe. The crazy thing about it is I didn't even do too much this semester, but I want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys it all. Like, come on, let's get started. But we're literally trying to get it together. So I have the hang one more thing up right here, and then I literally just gotta like unpack. There's a bunch of stuff in there, and unpack this and then in there, and I'll be fully unpacked. So y'all, I had to show y'all my views. I'm on the 8th floor, so it's not the best, but yeah, these are my city downtown views. At this point, I've been putting groceries around, and that's pretty much it because I had to like put clothes up. I have so much clothes. I can't wait to use this. So I'm thinking about hanging this right here under so I can make like a 3-2-1 type of thing. And next I'm gonna work on these mirrors. I gotta get this together right now. So we're in my dorm room basically, and the walls are still getting customized basically, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put LED lights so we can have that flare type stuff. All right, so wish me luck. So we got this little grass wall shenanigan or whatever, so I'm trying to think if I want to put it on this wall or this wall. I don't know, like I'm having a hard decision, but I have a 16 pack, so I'm about to take all that out, get that together. And I'm doing a grass wall because I want like a studio home type of feeling. I don't even know how to describe it, but in my head it's coming together, but physically I'm struggling, but we're starting fresh. I'm also gonna do these little fake leaves that I got from Amazon. I want to do it on the other opposite wall. My theme was supposed to be like black, white, silver, and green, and the green is for, you know, the nature stuff, whatever you call it. So I originally bought these and they look so fake, y'all. Like, why would you sell this to me? I was really offended. Like, it's just trash. So then I went on Amazon, and you know, these look more, I don't know, but it looks better. So the room's kind of decorated how I want to, and just literally have to get it how I want it, just to upgrade my room, because it gotta look good. You see I got the paintings there, I have a grass wall here. This little malfunctioning, but we're gonna get it together. My boyfriend's gonna put it up, help me with it, because I can't reach that tall. We got these, this, a stepping stool.
A little bad enough, we stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one.
We're almost done. Turn the corner. That's the last wall I think it could fit. So here is the room. So I'm just showing it to you guys in the daytime before I show it to you guys in the nighttime, because it looks 10 times better at night. But yeah, so this is a room when I walk in after like my early classes. I moved in a little later than my roommate, so she literally already had her bathroom set up or whatever, so I literally just put my side right here. I'm not going to show you her side because but anyways, so this is the curtains she already had up, and then the floor mat, whatnot. So, you know, I just put my stuff under my sink and then just kept it pushing. My room is what I was caring about. So here it is at night with the lights. Wait, guys, I have to change it to pink for y'all.
making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit
Here's my TV. Alexa, turn on my TV.
Okay.
See how she does the honors for me all the time or whatever. You know, I usually watch Netflix and all that stuff. My closet, it's a lot going on in there, so we're not gonna go in there because, you know, I got a lot of clothes. Here's my grass wall. I put it in between here because it just seemed like it fits. I am a makeup artist, so here's my makeup chair. I usually put this under my bed, but for now I have it out because I just had a client yesterday. And you know, my door. I guess on the floor is just, you know, a little rug because I do have a larger room than others. So I had a lot of space. So I put this here. So we're just gonna start with my bedding. This was all from Macy's. I do have this thing right here so I don't fall off the bed. Even though I'm not a clumsy sleeper or whatnot, but sometimes I like to reach over for stuff and fall off the bed. But anyways, the bed skirt. Yeah, love me a bed skirt because no, you cannot see under my bed. Because of the tulle whatever thingy, the bedding has to look like this, and I hate it, but it's just gonna have to do. This is my bedside. I just have my table extension cord. You're not allowed to have extension cords in this building, but oh well. Alexa, hi.
Hi there.
Okay, Alexa, stop. Okay, so you know, just a little lamp, whatever. Up here we have Gucci, Hermes, Prada, Givenchy, Dior, Vogue. Some of my favorite brands. So I just wanted to do this just to make a chic type of look since it goes with my Paris theme type of bedding. Here I couldn't find my headboard. I bought a headboard and because when I first stayed at my old school, Savannah State, I literally lost it. So this will have to do. Here's a mirror I made, literally handcrafted by me with fur and lights. And then we're gonna get over here. These are some of the plant vines or whatever that I bought. So I just hung them all around the room, basically, and whatnot. Here's my mirror. I have lights and I'm about to turn it on for you guys. And then my neon sign, I kind of made it as a heart. I got that from Amazon. You can bend it into whatever shape you want. So I bend it to a heart. It's losing its battery. Whatever, it works off battery, so it's losing it, so that's why it's not that bright. You know, gotta get the neon lights, whatever. I love pink. Like my room is usually set to pink or set to the white. And depends if it's red, depends on the night. Coming back to my desk area, this is where I'm at all the time. I just have like my notebook Georgia State gave me, usually my planner that I have, like you see I have like a lot of stuff to do, and then stuff I just usually write down. My laptop or whatnot. I am not a MacBook Pro type of person, do not judge me. My lamp, of course. Here is like my stuff, like I use like highlighters a lot and scissors. My curtains are like type of glittery type of thing. I forgot my rod, so we had to put it up like that. I got that from church on New Year's Day. I love it. Here's some more vines or whatnot, or whatever you call it. And then there's Vogue. And here's just a mini mirror just for extra decoration. Here is like my, I don't know, what is this? Like I put stuff in there. Like I do makeup, I'm a makeup artist, so I put my makeup stuff in there. My chair, I decided to put fur at the back of it. And then of course, when you sit down or whatever, you'll have like this gray thing here. I have my smell goods right there, of course. Here I have my hair products, here I have my makeup products, and here I have like my, you know, my morning routine type of stuff. And of course my little mirror. I keep my book bag behind there. My ring light, it's not being used. I do have the newer ring light. I usually use it when I do YouTube sitting here, or if I'm doing makeup and I use it to do the lighting here. Disclaimer, I transferred from Savannah State to Georgia State. And honestly, it took me forever to get housing. The reason being is because I guess Georgia State has a long wait list. So I just got it this semester, and it's literally spring semester, which means after spring semester, you pack your stuff and go. So for that reason, I didn't do so much. I didn't do too much. I literally made my room nice, simple, and chic. Everything that I have in my room, I literally got from home, or from when I used to stay at Savannah State. I just put it like in a storage. And then I also handmade stuff, like all this. I handmade it myself. The vines or whatever, I just bought it. It was cheap on Amazon. Stuff like that. My grass wall that you guys will see, It's literally just, you know, an investment. So everything was literally affordable, and yeah, it was affordable, honestly, because I didn't do so much. My freshman year, I did a lot. I went out. I went crazy. So if you're a freshman, I definitely encourage you to like go crazy. Like if you guys got a full experience, go crazy with your room. You want your room to be your sanctuary, so invest in your room. Honestly, I feel as though my room is a vibe, especially at night, because of my lights. My lights are my LED lights I got from Amazon. I do have a video of like putting it up and everything. You guys should totally watch that. I hope you guys enjoyed the little room tour. Friendly disclaimer, I do have a bigger room than most people do. No flex, no flex, no flex. No, but like I'm really grateful for having a bigger room, because some people's room actually looks like a shoebox. So I mean, fingers crossed, hope you guys get a big room like mine. Like I said, try to move your furniture around. Another tip I got is to move like your little dresser underneath your bed to create more space. Of course, move your bed in a different area to have more space. And yeah, some rooms are bigger than most. Don't let them lie to you when they say they're not. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any housing questions, real estate questions, like I said, just comment them. You guys can follow me on Instagram, and you guys ask me any question you guys want, any school, college questions, Georgia State, Savannah State questions, whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button as well, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Girl, I know you want